Day 6, tuning trouble. So the elves have finished up with whatever it is they were doing for 5 days, and they're finally ready to go find the star fruit. And they're using radios to communicate, and they want to keep their communications a secret. So they're using this proprietary scheme where we have to find the first 4 characters that are different in the message to know where the message begins. And this message does look pretty garbled to start with. So let's take it and put it over here in our editor. And it turns out there's a vulnerability in the elves plan. It turns out that regular expressions are pretty useful here. We can look for a character, and then we can look ahead to say that the next character should be one that doesn't match the first character. And then the third character should not match the first or the second. And then the fourth character should not match the first or the second or the third character. And then if we look for the first place that occurs, we'll find it's right there. And that's at character 1598, which is the elves' secret code. But wait, the elves are sneaky, and they knew that I would probably try this, and they thought, well, nobody would be dumb enough to try to type out a regular expression for 14 different characters, not just 4, but 14, and they were almost right. But if we look at the structure of this regular expression, and we take these and we split them on to different lines, we see that it's a triangle. And a triangle is kind of like half of a Christmas tree. And all we need to do to decrypt their message is make a triangle that's big enough. So I can take this and then I can extend it out 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then I can grab each of these, and then I can take these numbers and then I can turn them into 1 through 13. And I can take that and extend it down to make a big square. But we didn't want a big square, we wanted a big triangle. And how can we get a big triangle? Well, it turns out it just takes a little bit of Christmas spirit, and it's not hard to make a triangle if you just believe that we have a triangle. And then let's decorate the triangle a little bit. Remember, it's kind of like half of a Christmas tree, and then we'll bring the triangle back over to our other file, and we'll just paste it in here. And then if we believe, we can make a triangle regular expression too. So we'll just add back on our character matchers here, and then we'll get rid of the new lines, copy this over, and we'll search again. And wow, look at that. We found one, position 2414, and we've cracked the elves' code.